protesters spoke and the city listened. And tonight, the Tampa Police Department making changes. Haley Bull leading us off with what happens next.
This is a step in implementing findings from a community task force on policing. Protests across the country and here in Tampa put a spotlight on calls for change in policing.
We just wanted to ensure that we had that objectivity.
Now Tampa City leaders say they support 17 key findings from a community task force on policing.
We're committed to this, and we're going to be out there. We're going to rethink the way we're doing things.
The police chief says already they've changed policy language to require a judge and chief's approval for no-knock search warrants, though he says they're already not a practice in the department. They've added wording saying every officer is required to de-escalate the situation when possible. They're also looking at de-escalation training, using experts to develop a mental health response, working with the NAACP to help teach officers about the history of policing in Tampa, and updating their performance matrix to look at foot patrols and encourage public interaction.
We'll put 40 officers back in the districts with a focus on community policing and violent crime.
Dr. Brianna Fox and a grad team from USF were part of the task force. She says they'll stay on.
Starting to do oversight and address the effects of the findings, making sure that they are operating in the way that we intended.
But some say they want to see more action, including with officer accountability.
We need assurance that we are safe in our own community from brutality, from the lack of respect from police officers. We need to feel safe.
The chief says they plan to show on their website as they accomplish tasks. Reporting in Tampa, Haley Bull, ABC Action News.